There you go.
All right, this is an articulated vertebral column, but it only includes the lumbar vertebrae, the sacrum, and down here you can actually see the coccyx. Now, earlier we looked at the vertebral foramen. The vertebral foramen does house your spinal cord, which travels down, and then coming out of the spinal cord are what we call nerves, nerve roots. So that is something we're going to talk about. Earlier I talked about superior and inferior articulating facets. Your facets is the location where your vertebrae fit together, and that's how they stack up and down. Now on this model, you have to understand a couple of structures. This is fibrocartilage. It's called an intervertebral disc. And when you have two vertebrae stacking together, it creates a hole, which we call a foramen, where this nerve root is going to exit. Well, the name of the hole is an intervertebral foramen. Inter means between, and then vertebral foramen, it's the hole. So nerve root and intervertebral foramen. The disc is intervertebral disc. Okay, when we talk about the sacrum has an anterior side and it has a posterior side. So when we look at the sacrum, you can actually tell that it's fused vertebrae. And then the coccyx is also fused vertebrae. So you have the sacrum, and then this tip right here is called the coccyx. So we're gonna do structures on the sacrum. Now, because L5 has to articulate at the top of the sacrum, you call these the superior articulating facets. And then this right here going down the center is called the median sacral crest. At the very bottom on the posterior aspect, this flat section right above the coccyx is called the Sacral Hiatus. The holes are called Sacral Foramen. When you turn the sacrum over, you only have one structure to note, which is right here. It kind of sticks out, and it's called the Sacral Promontory.